Rose is watching the film with Eva, so you're off the hook.
Yeah, well, thank you for that. We really, really appreciate you fitting us in. Yes. Well, we'll see you then. Bye-bye.
Oh, what do you really, really appreciate?
I got Rose an appointment with the doctor. Well, if Rose is serious about all this, then we need to speak to a professional, you know, help us understand it all.
Hang on a minute. A few weeks ago, you wouldn't even discuss this. Now you're making appointments.
Yeah, well, then I spoke to Sally.
You've told Sally about... Right, you're going from 0 to 100.
Hey, I just want to help Rose.
Oh, and I don't. Tony, I'm the one who's been dealing with all of this. You know, even after she hacked half of her hair off, you thought it was a phase. But now you're on board, suddenly we're going in all guns blazing. What if she changes her mind?
I thought you understood.
Wait, will you stop sneaking up on us, please?
Being a boy isn't a choice.
I know that. I just don't want you to rush into anything.
Why can't either of you accept anything I'm saying?
Rose. We'll get there.
You're doing really well. Take your time.
Sometimes my
Your what, Frankie?
my supposed friends leave me out. The teachers pick on me. I just miss my old school.
Moving can be tough, but you can't take frustrations out on other people. Are you certain that's all that's upsetting you? If there's anything else...
Are we done?
OK.
Yeah. Mum!
I've got everything that I need, I think, for now.
Right, well, I'll see you out then, yes?
Told you not to leave me alone.
But I had to.
Why do you never listen to what I want?
All right, let's calm down and we'll deal with this later.
No, Nancy, you deal with it. I've had enough! Mum! Where are you going?
Hang on.
That's the third weird phone call I've had today.
I'm putting flyers around the village. Want to come?
Oh, I'm still feeling a bit woozy, you know.
But I think everybody needs to see the face of the business.
Tell me you haven't put any of those out.
Only a couple hundred. What's good in it?
You've made it sound like I'm offering a full service. One that doesn't involve cars.
Oh.
You need to bin them.
Well, the ink costs a fortune.
Hello? The only body I'll be lathering is one in your cars. Oi!
Oh, I'm bored. Do I go and stand outside Price Light, see if someone will buy us a drink?
The last time I drank, Ella died, so...
Some of us are better at handling our alcohol.
I'm just gonna stay here.
Whatever. Why don't we get to be happy? Yeah, I just keep thinking about how different things would be if Mum hadn't died. It's just... Anyway, maybe we'd have a normal life, and it's not fair. I should be going out on dates. I should be just able to be captain of the dance team, and instead I'm just stuck watching some gangster's house. It's not...
I don't remember her. Mum. Not properly. Just little bits. Like how warm her hands were. Or the way she smelled. I once sat next to this woman on the bus just because she had Mum's perfume on. I reckon she was a bit freaked out, though, because the rest of the seats were empty.
Yeah, that's really creepy. Mum was the best. She was the only one that could do my hair just right for school. The only one that could make you eat. She had to make all your food into spaces. Because I'm really scared. I mean, what if Dad goes to prison? I just...
You like hot cross buns? Dirk's are working at Price Lights. No, they're nearly out of date, but I can't eat them. I've got a wedding dress to fit into.
I thought you hated me.
Yeah, what your dad did isn't your fault. You got drunk. Teenagers make mistakes.
I bought Ella that bracelet for her birthday.
Oh, No, I can take it off.
No, I'm not. It looks really nice on you. I really miss her.
Yeah, me too.
I used to tell her everything, and now I don't have anyone to talk to.
Yeah, you can talk to me if you want. No, I can't promise that I'll be as wise as Ella. But... Oh. You're freezing.
It's not exactly like I can go home, is it?
No, we can. Right, Cindy's right. Why should we pay for Dad's mistakes? Right, what I could do is worse. I'm going home.
Hannah, please just call me back.
This is where you've got to.
No, I sat on my own crying into my wine. I bet you've never done this.
No, I've definitely been known to. In fact, Tony, can we get another glass of wine, please?
You sure?
I probably would have done a lot more of it too if I had to bring up 2 children on my own.
Sorry, I just had to get out.
Being a mum, it's a lot. Why do you think I want Darren to get a vasectomy?
I love Frankie, I do, but she can be such a handful. But she seemed to grow out of it. But it's like we've gone back in time.
Look at this, huh? Typical women. Going out, leaving the man at home with the kids.
And yet you're not at home.
I bet Dan wouldn't leave you, would she, Tom?
I think Diane would leave me anywhere at the minute.
Okay. Cake. Who's at the cake?
Hey, hands off. It's for Rose. It's her favourite.
All right.
Where is Morgan?
Oh, Charlie's looking after Morgan until we get back after Oscar's egg race. You've forgotten about Oscar's egg race, haven't you?
Sorry, Tony, I'm going to have to ask you to put that wine back in the bottle.
I don't understand it, right? I've always treated them both the same. In fact, if anything, I've given attention to Frankie more.
Maybe that's the issue. It's almost like she doesn't know how to function without you. It's a bit strange for a teenager to want to sleep on the sofa with her mum.
Yeah. Look, I think what Nancy's trying to say is that maybe Frankie could do with a bit of independence.
How do I do that?
Maybe put some space between the 2 of you? Hey, Grace.
Egg race! Egg race!
Oi! You're gonna pay for that?
Don't cry. It's only a wing mirror. You okay?
I told my parents something.
You're pregnant.
No. I told them that I'm like Sally.
Ah, Sal.
I'm trans.
Oh. What did they say?
They don't believe me. They say they do, but I know they think I'm going to change my mind.
Well, let them. Because you can't change who you are.
I wish it was that easy.
It is.
Maybe for you. I shouldn't have said anything.
For who? But the moment you let someone dictate to you, it's game over. And my life is not great right now, but I'll never let anyone tell me what to do. And do you know people that love you? They'll love you no matter what.
What if they don't listen?
You are who you are. Make them listen. And don't worry about that. It was half hanging off anyway.
Ooh, this looks tense. If you get to tell the Easter Bunny our address.
Listen, I think we can all agree that things aren't working as they are.
You're kicking Frankie out?
Just let me finish.
I'm staying with Hannah.
You're not the one that's going. We've decided that I need to give you a bit of space.
No.
But you're getting older. You need your independence.
No, Mum. Mum, I need you.
And you'll still see loads of me. And you've got JJ.
Please, Mum, I can't sleep without you.
Frankie, let's not make this harder than it has to be.
No, Mum,
Hey.
please, no! Stop it!
She'll be okay.
Yeah. Mum, don't. No, don't touch me! Please, can you just leave me alone?
JJ, come in. Come on.
What are you doing?
Oh, great. You're just in time to watch me deposit your money.
Even you aren't stupid enough to do that.
You sure?
All right. Stop. You don't have to do anything dodgy. Just give me your cash back.
Oh, you're just gonna let me off?
Yeah. No!
Next time you want to be more careful about who you trust with your cash.
You've no idea what you've done!
Who is it?
It's an Easter miracle. Told you I'd get you that bail.
I was charged with death by dangerous driving, but I'm allowed home until the hearing. I am so happy to see you two.
Worry Warren might have got to us.
How long are you back for?
I don't know. But it's gonna be okay, innit? We just need to make sure we stick together as a family.
Who are you kidding? The only reason we're still here is because that we should lose our home over something you've done.
As far as we're concerned, you're just some bloke that shares a house with us.
Frankie? 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 No. Frankie! Darren! Help! Get in! What's going on? She's choking! Ready? You okay? Please be okay. You're drinking vodka? What's she playing at? She's gonna be fine. Nancy! Bring an ambulance. It's okay. You're gonna be fine. Okay.
I think I left my charger down here.
Yeah. Here you go. Good night, darling. I love you.
Love you too, Dad. And thanks for the cake.